Hey guys, this is Stacy Nelson from AmazingMess.com, and I wanted to bring a quick review of the Draw Right Now handwriting series to you. This is one of our favorite series that the girls used when they were younger and they were learning to write, or I guess it was more practice their writing once they had those basic skills down. So book one is all about on the farm, kids and critters, and storybook characters. Book 2, Christopher Columbus, Autumn Harvest, and the Weather. Book 3 is Native Americans, North Americans, and the Pilgrims. Book 4 is the Polar Regions, the Arctic, and the Antarctic. Book 5, the United States from Sea to Sea, Moving Forward. Book 6, Animals and Habitats on Land, Ponds and Rivers and Oceans. Book 7, Animals of the World, Part 1. And then Animals of the World, Part 2 for Book 8. What we really love about this course is that not only do you get to practice handwriting, but you actually are learning to draw. So for example, there's just a little bit about the book, but here's the table of contents, and it tells you all of the things that you're going to be able to draw by the end of the book. Basically, so this gives you a few tips to get started, but basically a lesson looks like this. So you're going to have your drawing, and then you're going to have a little story, and that's what they copy to practice their handwriting. And then over here is my girl's favorite part, which is the drawing part. So you start by drawing the red parts, and then you just keep adding on step-by-step progression. So it's really easy for kids to follow those directions, and by the end they're able to draw a hen. And you can see all throughout the book, there's pigs, there's sheep, turkeys, a goose, a girl. So there's all different kinds of things that they'll be able to draw by the end of the book. Let's take a look at another book. How about book 5? Book 5 is about the United States. So you can see, did I miss it? Skip that first part, but this shows you all the things you'll be able to draw by the end of your book, the end of the book, when you go through it. And again, you have your lesson, so it starts with a flag, and then it has what you're going to write, and it has step-by-step drawings for the flag. So I did go ahead and purchase like the blank books that they have available, so you can write in those and then draw your pictures in those, but you could use any kind of handwriting paper would work just fine, or in a notebook would work just fine. So my girls loved this. It's a really great program for kids once they have those basic handwriting fundamentals down and you just want to practice a little bit more, and it keeps them involved because they like to draw what's in the book along with what they're writing. So I highly recommend it. It's a great series. I think you can find it a couple of different places like Rainbow Resources or Christian book distributors. Anyway, let me know in the comments below what your favorite handwriting curriculum is, and if you've given this a try and what you think about it. All right, we'll talk to you later.